This is a mid-1970s Westinghouse 2-speed box fan, model AW12-1. I picked this fan up probably about at least 5 years ago out of the garbage. Last year its blade got broke, so it's now got the blade off of a 2nd gen Lakewood P223. Overall the fan's in pretty good shape. Before I got it, someone spray painted the bottom of the fan, and you could tell it was sitting outside by the runs. So I'm going to most likely wire wheel the bottom of the fan out and see if I can get a gray that's sort of close to this. The whole top of the fan is just all covered in grease. For a long time I used this fan out in my shop, so it's got a lot of grease and stuff on it. It's not the cleanest, but so far she's still running great, and it's actually not even in that bad a shape yet, really. But anyway, that's it for this video. So as usual, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and look for the video of this thing finished.